Hello, I'm user Ich and today I'll show you how to edit your talk page on Wikipedia. We start on Wikipedia's main page. On top of the page you can see my username Ich. I'm already logged in, and on the right hand side there's the link to the talk page. So I click on that talk link and the talk page will open. And in order to add a new section, I hit the new section button and the edit window will open. So I have two boxes, one to fill in the subject headline, which is new message, and then I go below to the edit window and I write my message, which is hello there, please ask any questions anytime. And I sign my message by clicking on the signature button. This is that one. So now I scroll down and on the bottom of the page there's the blue Publish Changes button. And that's it, my edit was saved. And I can see the new message, hello there, please ask any questions anytime, followed by my username, a link to my talk page, and a timestamp. So it's very easy. Go on your talk page, click on a new section, put in a headline, put in the message, press on the signature button, and press publish, and there you go.